Parang wala ka nito, parang may kulang ka as a trader. This bootcamp 1 and 2, parang may open ka for a different realm. Kumbaga parang, ganito pala ang trading, no? Hindi lang pala strategy. Itong bootcamp na to, tutulungan ka to be a more perseverant trader, maging relaxed trader ka, na hindi ka natatakot, mawawala yung fear, mamamanage mo yung expectations mo. So itong dalawang bootcamp na to, I highly suggest na kunin, no, nung mga kasama ko sa TDS-I kasi parang it blows your mind. So talagang literally it blows your mind na ibang dimension, ibang way of trading approach yung matututunan mo. I think it's a must na umattend for this bootcamp 1 and 2 kasi parang wala ka nito, parang may kulang ka as a trader. Parang may kulang ka na yung iba, for example, ako, alam ko na yung bootcamp 1 and 2. Tapos I've met someone na hindi nag-bootcamp 1 and 2. May kita mo yung competitive advantage mo or yung edge mo over them.